Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can remove the playing widget on your lock screen on your iPhone. So not on your home screen, but if you want to remove it, obviously to remove like a playing widget, like a music widget, you're just going to select it for a few seconds and remove widget. But if you want to remove it from your actual like lock screen, you're going to go to settings here, and you are going to go to general, go to iPhone storage. I don't even know if I have the music app, but you're going to offload your app. Okay, it's gonna take a while to load, so just be patient. There we go. Find the music app. I don't have it, but you're just going to select offload app, and then you're going to reinstall the app. And then if that doesn't work, you're going to either go to notifications. You can just find it there, notifications. You're going to find the music app that you use. I use Spotify, so I'm just going to go there. Then if you selected allow notifications, you're just going to select the unlock lock screen one, and then you're going to reset your iPhone. So restart your phone, and hopefully after both of the steps that I showed you, the player button, player widget won't be on your lock screen again on your iPhone. And that is it. Let me know if this worked for you, and if it didn't, just comment on this video, I guess. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Again, if this did not work for you, just leave your comments in the comment section down below. We will try our best to reply. We get a lot of comments every day, so just be patient. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.